I'm going to show you how to do your brakes on a Nissan Rogue 2016 and up. And first thing first, you got to take off the wheel, and it's going to be 21 millimeter. Alright. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is spray some WD-40 right here to make sure to get it loosened up, and also turn the caliper to face out. Alright, and also what I'm gonna do is remove this 19 millimeter in the back. There's two of them, another one right here, and also I'm gonna take this off after I put it back. You're gonna see how I do it, alright? What I'm doing is squeezing the caliper. Now it's time to get that 19 millimeter. This is just to support the rotor, support the caliper. So my rotor come off easy, but here it might have rust on it, so you might need a hammer to knock right here in case yours don't come off easy. You knock here and here and here. Knock it with a hammer and it should come off, but mine come off easy because the car is new and it's not rusted out yet. And this is what I do. I support my caliper. So now I'm going to take the rotor off and get the new rotor. Alright, so after you clean your rotor, go ahead and put on the new one. That's it. It's down. Putting it back, make sure the brake line is straight. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is to take off this one, this bolt right here, this 14 millimeter, and bring this up so I can get access to the pads. Alright, so I get that out of the way. check out the pad right now. You can take them out like this, alright? Same thing for the one in the back. Alright? And this, you can just lift them up. Come on, easy as that, alright? Alright, so these are the old pads. And this is a new pad, aftermarket. It's not original. So what you want to do is get the old pad and line it up like this. And where the rear indicator is, go ahead and put this one right here. Alright. A little bit. Alright. As you can see, this is the whole brake hardware, anti-rattle clip. So what you want to do is get the new one. This is the old one, so this is the new one right here. So you want to get the springs and put them on it. Alright? Alright, so this is the old one right here. Alright. So what you want to do is make sure when you finish the new one look just like the old one, alright? So you want to get a spring, these spring right here, and put it in this way where it kind of raises up a little bit. See, it will go up a little bit, so you want to get this and put it right here.
Mono! ¿Qué pasa, chico? What happened, chico? Bro,
Alright, so now you want to get this one over here.
Ah, yeah.
Alright, you see? This one have a different shape. It goes down instead of go down instead of go up. Alright? So it have a different shape. So what you want to do is get the correct one, which is this. So now you can see. Alright? So you want to get the correct one, put it in there, and under here, like that. And then bring it over this, like that. And that's it. And you do it for the top and the bottom one, alright? Like that. Put the top part up. Alright. That's good right there. So now it's time to get the brake pad. Put it in like that. Let me show you how you guys gonna put it in, alright? So as you can see, you wanna get this to go right here. And get it to go in like that. And same thing at the top. As you can see, it has to go in there. So as you can see, I have the part where the spring goes. It goes in the cutout right there, alright? And you push it in like that. It goes in like that, alright? So after you put in both pads, you want to hold it like this. because you have like tension to go up. So you want to hold both pads like this, bring down the caliper over like that, and that's it. You want to go ahead and put back your screw right here, your bolt right here. Tighten that up, and that's it, my friend. You can go ahead and straighten it up. And now it's time to put on your wheel and pump your brakes. All right. Yeah. Right, guys, now I just want to pump the brakes up. Alright, and that's how you change your front brakes on a Nissan Rogue 2016 and up. So you want to go ahead and subscribe to my channel right here, and I'm gonna put the rear video for the rear brakes right here. Alright, so thank you guys for your love and support.